The instrument used for recording earthquake waves is D. Seismograph. What kind of soils formed by wind dust in and around hot deserts? D. Loess soil. The process of wearing away rocks by natural means is B. Weathering. The process of moving sediment by wind, moving water, or ices. A. Erosion. A deep valley with very steep sides. A. Canyon. What landform has a peak? C. Mountain. The process in which materials are dropped into a new place, creating a new landform. B. Deposition. Gravity can pull rocks and soil rapidly down a hillside, causing a N. C. Landslide. Water, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and acids are significant agents of. A. Chemical weathering. The breaking down of rocks on Earth's surface due to temperature is. D. Mechanical weathering. The process of breaking down rocks into smaller particles is called. C. Weathering. The wear and tear of rocks accompanied by transportation is called. D. Erosion. Which of these is an example of weathering? Plant roots widen a crack in a rock. What changes Earth's surface? D. All options are correct. The process in which rock materials are broken down by the action of physical, biological, or chemical processes. C. Weathering. What causes erosion? D. All options are correct. What are three major causes for erosion? D. Ice, wind, water. What type of erosion would occur most frequently in the Sahara Desert? C. Wind erosion. Which of these is an example of erosion? D. Wind blowing away sediment. Surface landforms of an area. A. Topography. This landform is almost always formed by a river cutting through rock. A. Canyon. Water freezing in the cracks of rocks is an example of. B. Mechanical weathering. A glacier will retreat if. C. More ice melts than accumulates, which is a slow process of landform change. A. Erosion. The process that breaks rocks down into tiny pieces is called. A. Weathering. A piece of land that is surrounded by water is. C. Island. The formation of the Grand Canyon in Colorado is an example of. C. Water erosion, which is not an example of a landform. C. Mantle. An area of new land at the mouth of a river, formed from sediments carried by the river, is called the. B. Delta. Plains, plateaus, peninsulas, valleys, hills, basins, canyons, and mountain are examples of. C. Landforms. A large mass of slowly moving ice on land is called. B. Glacier. Uplifting is vertical movement of a landform, mostly occurring in the formation of. A. Mountain. Which of the following causes slow changes to Earth's surface? D. Glacier. A landform with high elevation and a more or less level surface is called a. D. Plateau. The plain formed by river at the foot of the mountains is called. A. Piedmont Plain.